Olympia typewriters began in 1903 and were at one point regarded as the Mercedes-Benz of typewriters, showcasing the effects of solid German engineering. Under parent company AEG, European General Electric, Olympia started to produce some of the most technologically advanced typewriters of their time. In the 1930s, Olympia secured itself in the public eye as a major player in the typewriter industry. After the war, facing Soviet oppression, several workers fled to West Germany and restarted the company, this time as Olympia Werke. This wonderful portable manual typewriter is the Olympia SM4 De Luxe, which was made in Western Germany in the city of Wilhelmshaven in 1959, suited with all-steel body, chrome trim, and plastic keys.